Well, hello guys, welcome to my spicy channel. As you read the title of the video, you know it very well what is the reason of this video. So let's dive into the topic. While everyone else talking about that, you will need monetization on your YouTube channel to earn money with your channel. Apparently it's true but not completely true. You can also earn money on YouTube even if you don't have monetization on your YouTube channel. How? I will explain, just stay on the video. Now to understand this, you have to take a look to the requirements for monetization on YouTube channel. You need 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel to on monetization of your YouTube channel. But if you think, you will notice that there are many YouTubers who only create shorts, and shorts are only 1-minute videos, and it's quite hard to make possible 4,000 watch time only just making shorts on the channel. They earn money with their channel. How? With sponsors. Now it doesn't matter you don't have much subs but people are watching your videos, so you can always ask for sponsorship. Now let's talk about how you can get sponsorship for YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel and you're serious about your YouTube career, make it everywhere in legit. It means make your channel social, like make an Instagram account, post short videos on it, make Reddit account, and many more. Social media account, and make sure on every social media account you represent your channel. I mean, if anyone visit to your social media account, they must have to know that this guy is from YouTube. Keep posting videos on YouTube channel as well as on your social media accounts. It will help you a lot to grow your channel, and it also work for getting sponsor. Let me explain how this will work for you. Now let's just think you are sponsor and I'm a YouTuber and I want your sponsorship. My uploads are steady and I really put my efforts to my videos to make it look proper, and also I make sure that my work look legit. Likewise, I post every information on my social accounts every day whenever I post video on my YouTube channel, so you will think that I'm legit guy, so you can put your trust on me for your promos. So that's how you can make it possible to earn money on YouTube without having monetization on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and consider subscribe if you think this video was helpful. I'll check you in next spicy video. Stay safe and earn money.